Free camping in Vermont. Just obtain a permit or America the Beautiful pass from the park offices and be the first one there. Located in southwestern Vermont, Green Mountain National Forest offers dispersed camping opportunities in designated areas. Camping is allowed without fees. Situated along the Vermont-New Hampshire border, the Vermont side of White Mountain National Forest provides dispersed camping options in certain areas. Camping is allowed without fees. Found in central Vermont, Camel's Hump State Forest offers free camping opportunities in certain areas. Dispersed camping is allowed without fees. Located in southern Vermont, Molly Stark State Park offers primitive camping opportunities. While there may be fees for certain amenities, primitive camping is generally free. Situated in northern Vermont, Green River Reservoir State Park allows primitive camping. While there may be fees for certain amenities, primitive camping is generally free. Found in northeastern Vermont, the Nulhagen Basin Division Wildlife Management Area provides free camping opportunities. Dispersed camping is allowed without fees. Located in central Vermont, Groton State Forest offers dispersed camping options in certain areas. Camping is allowed without fees. Situated in northeastern Vermont, Victory State Forest provides free camping opportunities in designated areas. Dispersed camping is allowed without fees. Found in central Vermont, Coolidge State Forest offers dispersed camping options in designated areas. Camping is allowed without fees. Vermont has several wildlife management areas throughout the state that allow camping. Some areas may have designated campsites or allow dispersed camping. While fees may apply for certain activities, camping is generally free. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.
It's double time.